Hello guys, so this is a little Clemson video that I'm gonna do. I am using WeVideo for this, so if you want to make your own videos, make sure you go check it out. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, and this is about Clemson being in the national championship, so hopefully y'all enjoy this. Peace.
There's a second down handoff to Bo Scarborough, the young back who ran right through Washington, but Cleveland fleeing games offensively in recent weeks. This is Wayne Gallman. They feed the workhorse running back, and he gets the edge. Physical runner knocked out at the backfield on first down. Watson, pressure, and sack. Flooding in there was option. Gallman, nothing. The Tide rise up, but even though Gallman play action, chased by Wilkins. Excellent runner, takes off, and gets man coverage. They just forgot about the quarterback. First and 15. Scarborough gets the edge. Bo Scarborough cuts it back, still rumbling all the way to the end zone. Touchdown, Bama. Third and 2, delivers a strike. Williams takes a hard hit, but they'll move the 6 to the 43. They're showing some pressure. And Jacobs shows the quickness. And Joshua Jacobs still running hard. They move the 6 to the 5. Low snap. Watson has to battle for the ball in the scrum. Ryan Anderson's got it for Alabama. No whistle yet. The Tide have a takeaway. First and 15. Scarborough hit and dropped for a loss. Storming in was Carlos Watkins. High punch, letting the Tide coverage sheet run under it. That's what he does. And that is absolutely. Darius Stewart comes in motion. Wide receiver takes the handoff and is free. Out near midfield, a very strong and ornery Scarborough. There's a far side throw to Ridley. It's a block from Stewart, and Ridley scoops before it's Bama's defense. It looks like they want to redeem themselves for last year. Scarborough breaks free. Bo Scarborough in the clear and in the end zone again. It's the longest pass attempt he's thrown, and his